Hey everyone, if Opera GX is not loading pages, websites are stuck on a blank screen, or pages keep timing out, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get pages loading again. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. No connection or unstable internet is the most common reason pages fail to load. Next, refresh the page. Yeah, sometimes it's just a temporary loading glitch. Opera GX's built-in ad blocker or shield can sometimes block websites. Try turning it off temporarily. Corrupted cache or cookies can prevent pages from loading correctly, so clearing them may fix the issue. Some extensions can block scripts or slow down websites. Disabling them can help identify the problem. If pages load in incognito mode, the issue is likely caused by extensions or cached data. Yeah, this is a quick way to test it. Sometimes network DNS issues can stop pages from loading. Restarting your router or flushing DNS can help fix this. Make sure Opera GX is fully updated. Outdated versions can cause website loading problems. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Yeah, some websites block VPN traffic. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can block websites, so check your security settings if pages won't load. If nothing works, reset Opera GX settings to default. This removes hidden settings that may be blocking websites. If the issue continues, contact Opera GX support. They can help diagnose deeper network or browser problems, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix Opera GX not loading pages and get websites working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.